welcome back to the Griffinator channel. Today we are going to be servicing our GDP 4-inch portals. I'm going to be changing the fluid, making sure everything looks good. I'm going to be replacing the fluid with the GDP portal blood, and I'm going to show you how we do it. Alright, so first up, you're going to need your portal blood, a torque wrench set to 10 foot-pounds, and 5/16 hex. And when I say 10 foot-pounds, is because that's what this bolt calls for. Same with this one, because there is a gasket on there, and if you ever tighten it, it will crack the gasket, possibly strip your portal out, and it will leak. That causes issues that we do not need. So first thing, get your drain pan under the portal. We'll go ahead and remove this bottom bolt here with the hex 5/16, and then we will remove the side, the fill. That will allow this to completely drain out. Once it's drained out, we'll reinstall the bottom bolt and we'll fill her back up. Go ahead and remove the bottom hex nut bolt. Then remove your side. And just simply let that drain until everything is emptied out. So as we can see, it doesn't look too bad, and that was, I don't know, that was probably, I don't know, 10 at least good rides in the water. Doesn't seem to be any water in there. Actually held its seal pretty good. I was actually pretty surprised. I was actually expecting to see a lot of water in there. You can tell it's been run, but no water. So that's a good sign. So now we'll reinstall the bottom hex bolt and then fill till fluid runs out of our fill hole. So we'll do that now. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the drain bottom bolt. You can see there's just a little bit of shavings right here. Kind of hard to see, but these were brand new, and I've never changed the fluid yet. So this is normal to have a little bit of wear, a little bit of metal shavings in there. Very little. Anything more than that, you really need to probably open her up, see what's going on. But this is normal. Just want to let you guys know, so you didn't drop this, see a bunch of shavings, and wonder what was going on. When it's brand new, straight out of the box, you will expect to get just a very little bit. Okay, so reinstall our drain plug. Set your torque wrench to 10 pounds. That's what it calls for. And torque to spec. Okay, so now that your bottom plug is in and torque to spec, what you're going to want to do is pour your portal blood in this hole until it begins to flow out. So we'll do that now. As you can see, it's already pouring out. I like to wipe it off a little bit. Okay, so here we go. It doesn't take much. So now everything's nice and topped off. Got it coming out the side there. Reinstall your fill bolt. Torque to 10 pounds. Alright, you guys, after you get everything torqued and filled back up, that's it. That's your basic service for the GDP. Pretty simple, and I guess you should do this every other ride or so if you're running a bunch of water. Like I said, that was like 10 rides in water, and that still looks pretty good. So yeah, basic maintenance will make your machine go a long way. If you guys liked what you seen, thought it was informational, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Until then, see you on the trail.